Hey guys, Alicia here. I am so excited about this video. If you want to know how this Etsy seller was approached by a representative from Hobby Lobby to have one of her designs featured in Christmas 2020 in their store, then stay tuned. But before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos about how to make money online. Now, before I kind of go into the story of how this happened, I wanted to back up just a little bit and reiterate the reason that I started my channel. I set out to do something, and that was to teach people that you do not have to use expensive programs in order to make money online. All you need is a little bit of creativity, and you also don't need a whole lot of money to get started. So I set out to do something, and this just totally validates everything that I have been teaching. You don't have to have a degree in graphic design. You don't have to, have the entire Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, InDesign. You don't have to have all those programs. There are so many other free programs out there that you can use. And I have done videos in the past on so many different ways that you can make money online. So that is what I set out to do, and this is a prime example of exactly how you can make money and then get recognized. This is the second person that is a subscriber of my YouTube channel and also a member of my Facebook group that has been recognized. I did a video, it was my last video, on someone who got featured in the 2019 edition of HGTV magazine, and now we've got one that has been approached by Hobby Lobby for one of her designs. Okay, so I'm going to kind of delve into her shop a little bit. Right now, she has her Black Friday sale is still going on. So you can enjoy 20% off on all purchases, $7 or more. Okay, so she has been on Etsy only since this year, since 2019, and she has made 61 sales. Now, I'm going to pull up the item right here. This item right here, which is wall art, and it's an instant download. This is the item that Hobby Lobby is wanting to possibly feature. So you can tell right here she has this design beautifully displayed in a mock-up photo. Now serving old-fashioned hot cocoa. And this is just an adorable design. And when you zoom in, it's kind of like on a, looks like a cheesecloth or something like that on the design. So here it is right here if you can see the design. So this is just really cute, and she focuses on selling vintage and upcycled home decor. So that is what she focuses on. So this is the design here, and she even has now serving hot cocoa wall digital print, Hobby Lobby 2020 potential, and you can get this for $5. So please visit her shop. I'm going to leave a link to her shop in the description below the video. So not only does she have that, you can also buy 3 or more and save 30% if you use this coupon code. So just another example of what she does. Now, I wanted to talk a little bit about what she uses to make. Now, she actually makes all of her designs herself, and she uses Procreate, which is like a $10 app that you can use with your iPad. Also, she uses Inkscape, which is also free to use, and she uses that to make her mock-up photos and things like that. So just to let you know, you don't have to use expensive software. She also mentioned that she uses GIMP. Now, GIMP is the free version of Photoshop. So she is using free programs. And this is what I'm saying. You do not have to spend a lot of money. You can make money online and get recognized. So this is just awesome. I'm so excited for her. Okay, I'm going to go back into her shop here, and I'm going to pull up another one of her designs. This is another one that is just absolutely adorable for Christmas, Rudolph, and it's on the same type of background, and find reindeer treats. So this is a really super cute design on a really cute mock-up photo, and she's showing here what it looks like without it being in a mock-up photo, and then she's showing what it looks like in another mock-up photo. So this is just an awesome job. And I also wanted to mention that she does not use any clip art to make her designs. She draws everything herself in Procreate. So that is just awesome. I actually can't draw very well, so I do have to use clip art. But if you do have a talent to draw, you can do that. But if you don't have to know how to draw either, so you can make items similar to this just by using text and purchasing clip art, things like that. So if you wanted to make something with a reindeer, now you don't want to steal anybody's design, but if you wanted to do something like this that was similar or sort of kind of, then you could search for clip art, reindeer clip art, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So if I go here, I'm going to pull up another Etsy tab, and I'm just going to type reindeer clip art and see what comes up. And then right here, we have so many to choose from. But is what you're wanting to look for is something that is commercial use, something that you can use. There's all different types of reindeer that you can use. And if you wanted it to be in black, then you could search for an SVG, and then you could just change the color of it, and I've done videos on that in the past as well. So this is really adorable. I'm just going to pull this clip art up right here. I'm just trying to show you here that you do not have to have, you just need creativity. So this is actually clip art for sublimation, or you can just use it as sublimation, or you can use it as just clip art. So let's see here if it says, this one is for personal use only. So it says, well, it means that you are welcome to subprint this design and place it on shirts, bags, cups, etc. for small commercial use, 100 pieces. So, but it does not allow you to sell it. She's basically saying you can't sell it as is. Okay, so you really want to pay attention, because more often than not, you're going to find that you can use them for commercial use. So I'm going to I just wanted to show you that real quick, because you can make designs by using clip art and texts, and I am working on an online course for beginners that is going to start out from the very beginning and how you can really create things starting from the beginning rather than having to skip all around, because I try to keep my videos under 20 minutes. So my online course that I'm going to have coming up is going to be more in depth. So I wanted to go in and just show one more of her items, and I really hope Hobby Lobby picks this one up. She's in the lineup for it, so let's just wish her well and hope she does get that. So she's got these really adorable chalkboard listings, so I'm just going to pull this one up right here. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. And she's got this beautifully displayed on a mock-up photo, and then now she's showing what it looks like on another mock-up photo and even another mock-up photo. So once again, please visit her shop. She's got some great deals going on right now and really adorable work. So once again, this is Cozy Nickel Designs, and I will leave a link to her shop in the description below. She does do all of the work herself, and she makes her own clip art. So please be sure to visit her shop. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below, and let's wish Ashley well and hope that this design gets to Hobby Lobby for Christmas 2020. And I appreciate you watching this video. Thank you so much, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.